My name is Zoe. This is Cooking with Zoe episode 7. We are going to cook sushi. Lots of flour. So you'll need the red sauce. You need green sauce. You will need honey sauce. You need pink sauce. The sauce you need is the brown sauce. You'll need 3 ice cream. You'll need 1 lollipop. Now we're gonna mix it. Put it in the oven. Now let's put it in the oven. Okay, now our sushi is done. Sushi was tasty.